You're approaching the intersection, the light turns yellow, and you're debating whether or not to go through the intersection quickly or to slam on your brakes, stop short, and now not get a ticket. Why? Because that's a red light camera intersection. Do you want to know what your alternatives are? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York car accident attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. First, I want to ask you, what do you think about red light cameras? I have to tell you, every single person I've spoken to when they ask about red light cameras have given me a negative opinion. You want to know why? Because now they're approaching the intersection, the light turns yellow, and now they have one of two choices. Do they slam on their brakes and risk getting hit from behind by the car behind them who didn't realize they were now going to stop short? Or do they go through the intersection and risk getting a ticket? Because you know the moment you go through the intersection, it triggers the device that automatically takes your picture at that point as well as 1 second later. And now you can accurately see where you were within the intersection at the time the light turned red. There have been some intersections with very short yellow lights, and now you're put at risk. The majority of towns and villages that put in these red light cameras, many of them turn around and say, no, this is a safety device. Well, I will tell you, many other people turn around and say, no, this is a revenue generating device for the sole purposes of generating tickets to fill our coffers so that we can get money. And that's one of the key reasons many villages put it in. On the other hand, motorists are now in a quandary. They're in a tough position. Do you slam short and risk getting hit from behind? And now if you're driving and somebody in front of you stops short at the intersection and you slam and hit them in the rear, what's your defense? Well, your defense is they stop short. Did you know that that actually may be a valid defense in New York? Where if somebody in front of you stops short and you hit them in the rear and they suffer injury, now you, the driver who hit them, may actually have a valid defense. It's called the emergency doctrine, which basically says somebody in front of you came to an immediate stop short, and now you had no choice and couldn't control it, and you stopped and hit them. The rules of the road require that you know that once the light changes from green to yellow, you know what's coming next. There's going to be a red light shortly afterwards, and you should be taking every step to slow your car down so that now you can safely stop before that intersection. However, having a red light camera in that intersection doesn't always allow us that opportunity. So why do I even bring this up? I bring this up because I hear people talking about it constantly, especially taxi drivers, who are always upset and yelling and complaining about the fact that they now have to deal with this traffic light camera that's going to get them if they go through the intersection when it's yellow, or risk getting hit from behind if they come to a short stop. You know, I realize you're probably watching this because you have questions about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.